alone at night, beside the candlelight. The spring breeze softly blows into the night. A girl of 17, her heart starts to long for a good companion to belong. Handsome and clever, a young man passes by. She wants to look, but turns away so shy. Her heart is pounding, playing a sweet tune under the soft light of the quiet moon. Oh, spring breeze carrying a silent dream, his love as gentle as it seems. I long to ask, but turn my head away, too shy to find the words to say. Hear a shadow pass outside the wall. Could it be him answering my call? I rush to open up the wooden door, only the spring breeze blowing as before. His love as gentle as it seems. I long to ask, but turn my head away, too shy to find the words to say. Foolish girl, teased by the evening air, waiting for that isn't there, a secret hidden deep within my mind, a gentle lover hard to find. Oh, spring breeze carrying a silent dream, his love as gentle as it seems. I long to ask, but turn my head away, too shy to find the words to say. Only the spring breeze blowing by, just a shy girl sighing under the sky.